The 2007 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power lift gate, DVD system, four-wheel ABS, air conditioning, front, cruise control, keyless entry, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, heated and cooled front seats, automatic stability control, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound, MP3 capability, heated steering wheel, fog lamps, power windows, OnStar 1-year safe and sound service. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.